is going on, guys? Welcome back to Just Give Her Garage. On this episode, we're out at Toronto Motorsports Park for Top Drift, man. These guys are just shredding. It's killer. We got how many cars that just broke ball joints already? 3? Oh man, they're giving her. Woo! But yeah, I'm gonna get geared up and we're gonna hit the track, so let's see how I do. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we're waiting in line to get on track. I got Jess with me for the first rip of the season, so let's see how this goes. I got my GoPro right here. Hopefully we can pick up some good footage, but yeah, man, let's get into it. Here we go, Rev. Test. I got these guys on me. These guys are fast behind me. That's fourth gear, that's why. Woo! Holy fuck, these guys are right on me. There. This is fast, babe. I'm scaring the shit out of myself. I'm so scared. This corner.
One more lap and then come off.
One more lap?
Yeah.
I should have stayed on throttle on that one. How's that? Is it scary or what? I think my tires are done for.
Oh yeah. I can smell it.
Cool. Hey?
Yeah.
Oh no, we got fast cars behind us. I hate when we got fast cars behind us.
Lapping us.
No, they ain't lapping us, but they're just fucking fast into the corners. Uh-oh. I had no power steering there for a sec. Yeah. What? Yeah. So, like a lost belt. The car's dead.
Dead?
Yeah.
Dead? Dead?
Yeah. Smoked the belt.
Well,
Fuck.
I have to wave him down. Again.
Well, guys, we're getting towed in by the tow truck. I got no brakes or nothing.
No.
No.
What about your e-brake?
Maybe my brake blew up. Who knows that? I don't know.
Don't try to pull it.
Master cylinder blew up.
Oh, I gotta take this off. I am sweating.
Yep.
Fucking crazy.
Yeah, that was fun. I hope they got some footage.
Need to blow a few grand.
Oh, that sucks. Oh well, it is what it is. The good old pull of shame.
Yep. Worse than the walk of shame.
Yeah. Good old pull of shame. At least we got a couple good laps out.
Yeah, we did.
Kind of started getting the feeling of drifting, but
yeah, it was good.
now it's going to cost a lot more money.
The first few laps was sketchy as fuck.
My oil pressure was good. Everything was good. Well, I might actually have to check that. My oil pressure might have fucking dropped.
Plummeted, maybe.
And I didn't see it. Oil everywhere.
Yeah. Hope it's not over the track.
I don't think so. They're still going. But it did blow up right there, though. Not good. Not good. I definitely think she is a no more. Well, guys, the car is pretty well dead. It looks like an oil cooler line backed off, and I dumped all my oil on the ground. It sucks. She's definitely seized. But you know what? We got some good drifting. Now we have to figure out what to do next. Me and Jimmy are now in the same boat. 2 dead drift cars at the beginning of the season. That sucks. But we were having a killer time out there hot lapping her. And hopefully the GoPro on my helmet got some good footage. But that sucks, man. Oh. But hey, whatever, it is what it is. We will rebuild for sure. I just don't know if we're going to be out drifting this season. It's lunchtime now. Jimmy's cooking up some Wagyu burgers and some hot dogs. Bought a new grill. Oh yeah. There's the chef right there. Wagyu burgers. Let's go. Let's go. Well, damn, guys. That was definitely an expensive day. All right, guys. It's a week later now. After that sad day of me killing the car. But I checked out the car. And yeah, I think when I went off track, my oil cooler lines were kind of hanging down a little low. I knocked one and out goes all the oil. Man, it sucks. But that's okay though. It's for, you know, the stuff happens, right? And I got 10 minutes in the car, but whatever. It is what it is. I definitely suck at drifting, as you guys can see on the video. So I'm definitely determined to get another car this year. I want to learn how to drift decently, right? So I'm going to hit up Facebook Marketplace here and see what I can find. But I'm not getting rid of the Z. Don't worry. We're keeping it. Probably going to do an LS swap. Maybe, possibly something. But yeah, I'm definitely going to try to find a simple seat time car that I do not touch and it's already ready to rip, okay? As you guys can see, I got Snak the Ripper gear on, man. We went to a concert last night. That is why my voice is so screwed up. But I'm going to put some clips at the end of this video. But yeah, man, he put us on the guest list for his Toronto show. So we're heading out there again. But it works out good because I did find a Nissan 350Z out in Brampton that we're going to go check out. Kind of like going to do a little mini series about hunting for drift cars on Facebook Marketplace and Kijiji. So make sure to stay tuned. If you guys are looking for something, watch the videos. It's going to be sick, all right? We're going to be traveling all over the place, checking out drift cars. Yeah, man. It's not the end of my drifting time this year. I ain't done. I'm going to definitely try to get back out on track. But yeah, you guys know the deal. Make sure to like and subscribe, all right? That helps us do this kind of stuff. And don't forget to just give her.
London, are you ready? Make some noise! Let's go, let's go. Drop that shit, D-Rap. I want to see some fucking energy in this place. You guys ready? Hey, yo, make some noise one more time for my boy Brandon, the fishing musician on the bass. Jesus Christ. All right. Hey, yo, I'm glad you guys came out to fuck with us tonight, but you know what? We got a long night ahead of us. We're just getting started right now. So no matter what